Poetry is a form of literature that often celebrates abstraction and the beauty of words. It can push boundaries or employ personal experience to help understand the experience of many. World Poetry Day was adopted on 21st March 1999 by UNESCO in the hopes of promoting poetry as a way to communicate across borders and cultural differences and to support linguistic diversity through poetic expressions. It is the occasion to honor poets, promote the reading, writing, and the teachings of poetry. To commemorate the World Poetry Day, many students participated in poetry writing and recitation competition at our school. Poetry is not merely words strung together, it's a symphony of emotions, a canvas for thoughts, and a mirror reflecting the human experience. Here are some budding poets among us.
Oh, wonderful nature! I wonder how we are so beautiful with green trees and buzzing bees. The grass is so green and everything so clean. The wandering butterflies makes my thoughts fly. The waterfalls are so cool, just like a swimming pool. I love nature that is so tall in stature.
శీర్షిక భూమిపై దేవతలు. ఎవరిని నమ్మాలో తెలియని భూమిపై ఇద్దరిని మాత్రం పూర్తిగా నమ్మగలను. లాభం ఉంటేనే గాని ఆపదలు కూడా రక్షించని ఈ లోకంలో నరకాన్ని కూడా స్వర్గంలా నిలిపేందుకు ప్రయత్నించేది, ఏ లాభాన్ని ఆశించినది వారే. కష్టాల కడలిలో పడి ఎన్నో అవమానాలు పొంది త్యాగాలు చేస్తూ మన సుఖం కోసం ఆలోచించేది వారే. వారే అమ్మా నాన్న, ఈ భూమిపై దేవతలు. మరి ఇంత చేసే వారికి మనం ఏం చేయగలం? కష్టపడి చదివి ఉన్నత స్థితికి ఎదిగి వారి శ్రమకు విశ్రాంతినిచ్చి మనం వారిని సుఖపెడదాం, ఉన్నతంగా నిలబెడదాం.
माँ, उंगली पकड़ के जिसने चलना सिखाया, हर मुश्किल में जिसने लड़ना सिखाया, मेरी हर ख्वाहिश मुकम्मल होती है तेरी हर सुबह की दुआओं से, वो माँ ही तो है जिसने गिर कर भी उठना सिखाया. ज़ख्मों को मरहम की क्या ज़रूरत, तेरा तो एक छुआ ही काफ़ी है. मरने के लिए तो बहुत से रास्ते हैं, पर जन्म लेने के लिए सिर्फ माँ ही है. तू ही सुबह का सूरज और रात का चांद, तेरे साथ बिताया हुआ हर लम्हा देता मुझे आराम. मेरे होंठ जो खुले तो तेरा नाम आए, पहले तेरी याद फिर राम आए. दिल को सुकून मिल जाए तेरा चेहरा जब नज़र आए. क्या लिखूं अब माँ पे जिसने खुद मुझे लिखा है, एक माँ ही तो है जिसका सब कुछ मुझसे जुड़ा है.
Trees are our only solution. Trees are a part of our nature. Buildings are reducing their futures. Trees keep the earth green, but we are cutting them clean. Trees are not just for beauty, but we are reducing their duty. Trees give us food to eat, but we are giving them pain to keep. Vehicles are increasing the pollution. Trees are our only solution.
Today we celebrate not just the poets, but the dreamers, the seekers, and the storytellers who breathe life into words. We celebrate the power of words, the beauty of lines, and the magic of expression. So let your words dance, your imagination soar, and let poetry run through you.